function. It gives the desired results. Fourth is storage function. It stores information according to our needs. Now come to the one example to learn the process of all the functions of computer. So here I'm taking the example of calculating the total marks of the different subjects. So first we will take input from the user. So input will be given by the user, that is 6 numbers and a plus signature. So the 6 number is 90, 85, 69, 98, 76 and 84. Now I need to process the data, right? The second step is processing the data. So what I need to do, I need to add all the numbers. So here I am process the data by using addition in between the number. So that is 90 plus 85 plus 69 plus 98 plus 76 plus 84. So the third step is, after this, the third step is output of the data. In the second step, you already add the data, add the numbers, all the 6 numbers. So what will be the output of these 6 numbers? That is 502. So 502 is the output of this calculation of total marks of the different subjects. Right? So these 3 steps we use to, as in input the data, process the data, as well as output of the. Hello students, hope everyone enjoyed the holidays. Now we are taking some day-to-day life examples. So I would like to know that what does your mother take when she prepares a cup of tea? So before starting the preparation of cup of tea, she will take an input. So as an input, she collect water, leaf, milk and sugar. Now the second step is processing. So for doing processing of the preparation of tea, she makes all these things in the boiling water. The third step is output. So what will be the output? That is prepared tea. Let's take one more example. What do you do when you want to talk to your friend on a telephone? So as an input, you dial the number and the process will be connecting the number from your friend's number, and the output is talking to your friend. So students, today we learned about what is computers, uses of computers and the functioning of the computer. In the next turn, we will learn about the parts of computer. So, thank you.